Alright, folks. Hope everybody doing good out there. Doing a little bit of final tuning this Saturday. And this is just my personal opinion, but when you're tuning, ideally you want your EQ as flat as possible. If not, if you start boosting frequencies, you start introducing distortion, and then nothing sound right. That's just my personal opinion, but I think that's the best way to do it. But we'll see if we can get this scratching the itch to play and see what this thing sounds like a little bit. There we go. Got some music. Let's see what she sounds like.